Hello friends, good afternoon. How are you all? I hope that you all would be happy. I came at this place to learn English language alone, and I like this place so much. That's why I came here. You can watch a magic scene in this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about my school, that when and why had been constructed my school. What is reason? So before jump into video, if you are someone who is visiting my channel for the first time, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and motivate me. So without taking your precious time, let's jump into video. 32 years ago, from South Korea country, he came in my village to visit, and there is a temple situated near my village, which is named Dungswari temple. And at that temple he came to visit. When he came at this temple, then he saw there is so many beggars sitting near the road. So he felt pity after looking to beggars. Then he asked with beggars, "Why are you begging? Why are you sitting here near the road? What is the reason? There is not any school situated in your village." Then so many beggars told him, "Yes, there is no any village situated in my village." Then main master from South Korea country who follow Buddhist religion, and he told to them that I will construct a school in your village. After construct a school, will your children go to in a school or not? Then every beggars reply, "Yes, my children will go every day to a study." Then that time he constructed a school by the labor, and that time I was not in my village, so only I heard by someone, because I keep going to in a school to teach children, and I also achieved a lot of knowledge. I have also achieved a lot of knowledge from that school since childhood. So and that school is running since 1993. So and because of that school, I am also very educated. I think that a school would not be situated in my village, I can't be educated a lot. So I am very lucky, why you can say, that I live in this village and I achieved a lot of knowledge, and I am learning self, and I am speaking English in front of you all, and I can talk with foreigner also in English, but I am not expert in this language. That's why I keep creating video to learn English alone. I don't have friend a lot of to practice this language. Only I have one friend which is named Prince. He live together. When I live with him, then I talk sometime with him. So because of our South Korea country, our school is running. Otherwise my school can't be run. I think our government also can't do like this, because in our school everything is given in free, like shoes, lunch, clothes, book, pencil, pen, rubber, like this a lot of things given in free. And where I live, there is situated Dungswari temple, and that temple is famous only Buddhist, because there is considered that Lord Buddha came at this place, and he meditated 6 years on this hill, and after this he went in Bodh Gaya, and he took enlightenment under the tree. He got enlightenment, Lord Buddha. So because of Buddhist, my area is famous, and Bodh Gaya more famous in the world, and Bodh Gaya temple far away from my village, or 10 kilometer. So and main master from South Korea country, he keep coming one times in a year to visit our school. So he will come in my school tomorrow to visit, and he will check all a school. So it is enough for today. It is a long video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.